If you are wondering if QuickShare on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro supports AirDrop on iPhone, then let's check that out. So in order to test that, what we have to do is on iPhone, we want to make sure that, of course, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, and also the AirDrop should be set to everyone for 10 minutes. These are the requirements, at least in cases where the AirDrop works with QuickShare. So now, on our Motorola Edge 70 Pro, we should be able to go to QuickShare. So let's say I'm just going to use the Control Center or Quick Settings panel. And then in here, I'm going to tap on the QuickShare button. And we should be able to go to Send. Now, I can just skip selecting files because we should be able to technically find the device straight away over here on this list of nearby devices. But as you can see, nothing shows up. Just in case, I'm just going to select any file whatsoever just to make sure that, of course, this list works. So there we go. I have selected an example file, but unfortunately, it doesn't show up on this list. So it seems that unfortunately it doesn't work. Now, there is also this button, use QR code, so I should be able to use it to get this QR code. And technically, I can try to scan it on the iPhone to see if it works, but I can assume that it will not work. So let's see, we should be able to open the browser. And I think I have to actually switch Wi-Fi, so let me give a sec. All right, there we go. And it seems that it is actually working, surprisingly. So technically, I should be able to get the file over here, and I should be able to transfer it. So it seems that I am in the middle of transferring files, at least according to notifications. So let's see if it's going to work, actually. And now I am downloading on iPhone, so there we go. It seems that, yes, it is possible to get it. So there we go. So technically, you can use QuickShare, but you have to use the QR code scanner. At least it seems that you have to use it. I'm going to double check just in case. I'm going to go to the QuickShare option again. And let's see if it is actually really necessary to do so. Let's see if I can find anything else that I can transfer. All right, there we go. I just took an example photo, and let's see if everything is set up properly. It should be still set to everyone, yeah. But it seems that it still doesn't want to show up on this list, so I guess we have to use the QR code. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.